I'm Dr. Edward J. Gross. The video you're about to see is a dramatization of the rhinoplasty experience. The purpose of this is to give you a better understanding of the process here at Primera.
Good morning, welcome.
Hi, good morning.
I'm Sarah, I'll be your nurse today.
Great,
Come
nice
on
to meet
in.
you.
So, did you sleep okay last night?
I did.
Okay, perfect. So we'll bring you this way.
Okay.
Get your gown on, and then Dr. Gross will be in about 20 minutes or so.
Okay, great.
Okay, I'll put that under the stretcher for you.
Okay.
And then you can have a seat right here. And so this morning we'll just go over some paperwork I'll have you fill out. I'm just going to go over some medical information. Do you have any asthma, problems with breathing?
No.
Any kidney problems? In your mouth, do you have any caps, crowns, or bridges? Anything that's removable that comes out?
No.
This is your post-op instructions that you received at your second consult. At the bottom here is Dr. Gross's cell phone number if you're to need anything, and he will be calling you this evening as well. Okay, just have you sign here. Okay, and then there also. Thank you. And now we're just gonna get some vital signs. I'm gonna hook you up to the monitor for a minute. Okay, so now we're just gonna start your IV. Just relax your arm here. Just a little stick. And then we're gonna tape it down. So in just a moment, Dr. Zell will be in to start your IV and answer any questions that you have about anesthesia. And then Dr. Gross will be in to mark your nose, answer any questions that you have. And it won't be until after that time that your anesthesia started before you go into the OR.
Okay.
Okay?
Great, thank you.
Here, you can just hold on to that.
Good morning, Melanie. How are you?
Good morning. Good, thank you.
How was your trip into Primera today?
It was great.
Very good. And you met Sarah before?
I did.
Very good. So what I'm going to do now is just listen to your heart and lungs with my stethoscope, and then we're going to do some measuring and marking. Following that, I'll look over your pictures with you. That goes back to our computer imaging session. My anesthetist will give you some sedation. In a few minutes, you'll drift off to sleep. We'll take very good care of you, and this will be your big day. Your transformation is about to begin. All right, so I'm going to listen to your heart and lungs now. You can just rest your head back. Very good. Everything sounds nice and clear. Okay, great. The next thing I'm going to do is just measure and mark you. So if you'll just lean your head back, I'll go ahead and start the marking process. Good. Now we turn slightly to your left. Very good. And that's it right there. Okay, very good. Well, we have your markings done. Now I'm going to go over your photographs with you, and Sarah will pass that over to me. So if you remember, we have your side views here, and we talked about taking down a little bit of that small bump that you had left from the very first surgery and from your previous accident. Okay, Mel, so we're looking at your final set of the images down here. We're going to make your incision at the columella. We're going to narrow the nostrils a little bit and make them more symmetric. And when you're done, you're going to have a little cast right here. And in a minute, I'm going to hand you your final picture. Very good. All right, so just a few minutes, you're going to go back. You're going to have your sedation started. Doug will be out here. He'll take great care of you. Sarah's going to take great care of you as well. And I know you're going to have a beautiful result. See you on the other side.
Thank you.
Feeling okay? Good. All right. I'm just going to spin you around. Going to go in here head first. Oh, how was your week?
Hi, it was good.
Okay, how you feeling?
I feel great. Just a little bit of swelling in here, and that's about it.
Okay, great. Ready to get your cast off?
I am.
I'm excited to see
Me
it.
too.
So first we'll take your cast off and then we'll take the sutures out from the bottom there, okay?
All right, sounds good.
All right. So I'm going to take your cast off now. Just going to loosen up the tape on the side. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Great. Now I'm going to clean out your nostrils. Okay. I'm just going to take the sutures out. They'll still here. Okay, I'm just going to apply some Vaseline in here. You want to do either side. Okay, so now I'm going to sit you up a little bit here. And you're still going to have a little bit of swelling, as normal.
Okay.
But there you go. Look at
wow.
bump all gone.
Beautiful. Oh my God.
I'm so excited for you. It looks great.
It looks
really
amazing. Thank you. I love it.
We hope this video offered you a better understanding of the Primera experience. We look forward to providing you with excellent care and the elevated results you're looking for.